Yes, I am explaining the third chapter, The Little Girl. Yes, it is written by Catherine Mansfield. It's a nice story about one small girl who was afraid of her father. That's why some questions are given. Do you feel you know your parents? So it is a nice lesson to understand. Yes, this story is about one girl whose feelings for her father change from fear to understanding. Will probably find an echo in every home. Yes, in the starting, sometimes we have a fear, but due to age, due to circumstances, we start understanding them. So, in the story, it is given Kezia's father was a very busy man. He was so much lost in his business that he had no time for his family. There was one mechanical relation between father and daughter. He used to every time say goodbye, good morning to daughter. One over disciplined man he was. He was very strict with his daughter, Kezia. That's why he goes on giving orders and orders. He never had those soft feelings for his little daughter, nor did he love her for 1 minute. All he did was every time giving one mechanical kiss before going. His presence at home was scary for the girl. She felt every time relieved when father was not at home. Kezia was able to speak without shuddering, but in presence of her father she used to stammer. This was the problem because of fear. That's why she had speech problems in front of father. In an attempt to speak normally in her formidable father's presence, she every time stuttered and she used to stammer. In spite of all, Kezia's father had a loving heart. Yes, once upon a time, by chance, what happened that she made one special birthday gift for her father on the special orders of his his mother, means father's mother, and little daughter's grandmother. But it proved totally wrong because she took the important documents of her father to fill the pillow stuffing. So she was beaten by her father. She started feeling very bad, but ultimately she understood because once upon a time she was alone at home how her father loved her. For the first time, she started feeling that her father had a soft heart, and she now could understand because one neighbor, the McDonalds, means one family who lived next door, used to live one lively, playful family. Looking through the vegetable garden wall, Kezia saw every time the five children playing with their father, turning a hose. One nice picture is also given. The father tickling the children every time. So every time she used to compare her father with that MacDonald. So she saw the height of love between father and children next door, and she loved the MacDonald family. But after one incident happened in her life when she had to sleep alone as her mother and grandmother were not at home. She used to have one nightmare also. At that time, father was with her and he started just touching her with love, and he assured the girl that he was there for her. For the first time, she felt that his head is on her heart, and she could hear it going, and she felt that her father had a very big heart and her father was the most dear person in her life. Now we should do questions. First one, why was Kezia afraid of her father? She was afraid of her father because of his rude and harsh behavior. He never interacted with her humbly or politely. He always kept giving orders to do one thing or other. He even beat her once without properly asking about the issue. Now, second, who were the people in Kezia's life? Family. So it's a simple one. She had her grandmother, mother, and father. Now, routine is asked for. First part, before going to his office, he used to kiss Kezia casually before going. Now, second part is after coming back from his office, he would ask for the newspaper and tea after coming back from his office. Now, third, on Sundays, he would take rest, he would enjoy sound sleep on the sofa, and every time face was covered with newspaper. Now, fourth question. In what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Yes, her grandmother gave one special suggestion to celebrate her father's birthday, and before that, she sent her to her father's room to have a nice talk. But father was every time busy in sleeping. And once she asked her to make a gift of a pin cushion on her father's birthday. Yes, now important questions discuss. Third part, first one, Kezia's effort to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Yes, it happened just opposite when she was suggested by her grandmother to make a present, a pin cushion as a birthday gift for her father. She couldn't find anything suitable which she could use to make a pin cushion. So she used her father's paper for this purpose. She tore them into pieces, stuffed the cushion with them. When her father came to know about it, he was very much upset and beat her with a ruler. Thus, Kezia's birthday present proved to be a great disaster. Now, second question, Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. MacDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father? Yes, Kezia decides that there are different kinds of father because she used to watch every time the McDonalds who used to live in their neighborhood. Father was every time busy in the evening playing with his five children. One nice picture is also given how all the children used to tickle their father, how happy, lively were they looking to Kezia at that time. She was really upset at her life because she was comparing the McDonald's with her father. But what kind of her father? Her father was totally different as her father didn't have any time. He used to have very busy schedule. She felt that every time there was a mechanical life between her and her father. But after some time she could understand that all the persons, all the parents are different due to situations. Now, third question. How does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy? Yes, it is very important question. Kezia begins to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy. For the first time, she felt when she was alone to sleep, as she was every time enjoy company of her grandmother mother. But one day her mother was not okay, she was hospitalized. That's why her grandmother had to accompany her. So she was alone at home to sleep, and every time she used to have nightmare, and she had a special fear of her father. But on that day her father slept with her. He started loving her. He assured her that she was not alone, rather she could place her head on his heart. That's why the girl started feeling that her father's heart was very soft one, and he was the dearest person, because she started feeling that father didn't have any lack of love for her. Rather, due to busy schedule, he couldn't get any time to give to the girl. Means he didn't have quality time for the girl. Otherwise, he was also a nice parent. So her fear started being changed into understanding. She quickly understood that her father was a really nice human being, and he also needs her sympathy. As she earlier felt that her father should give time, she felt for the first time that she also should give proper time, share with him, because his father used to ask from her. So there was a great transition in the mind of a little girl. She became just in one day more mature, more understanding person because of one special personal experience.